one thing, one action you could take right now, starting today, that could change what your bank account looks like. It could totally change your financial situation. And life is all about creating new habits, right? You've got to replace bad habits with good ones. So I'm going to give you a great habit for you to start applying to your life immediately that could totally transform your finances. All right? Are you all ready for it? Here's the key. It's so simple. 70, 10, 10, 10. If you've got a sheet of paper, make sure you write that down. 70, 10, 10, 10. Now, those numbers are percentages. This is what you need to do with your money every single dollar that you get, every day, every week, every month. If you're an entrepreneur, do it daily. If you're working a 9 to 5, I would say do it every time you get paid. Don't do it at the end of the month because it's going to be hard to do. But if you do it every single day, every single week, trust me guys, this will change your life. Those numbers are 70, 10, 10, 10. 70% of your income is what you should use to live, enjoy life, and maintain your lifestyle. 10% you need to allocate towards paying the government, right? Paying taxes. You want to find a way to kind of pay the government about 10%. Most of us have been programmed to pay the government about 30%, but there's so many ways to keep that tax bracket lower. And if you need more info on that, definitely drop a comment. I can help you with that. But that's not what this is about today. Just remember these percentages. 70 is for you to live and enjoy life. That's the money you spend. That's the money you pay bills with. That's the money you operate your current lifestyle with. 10%, you want to get paying taxes. 10%, you want to give to someone else. You basically want to help someone else. It could be charity. It can be your church. It can be just helping a family member, helping a friend, helping someone other than yourself. You want to sow good seeds of helping others because life is all about karma, right? The law of reciprocity, cause and effect. If you give a little, you get a little. You give a lot, you get a lot. So you definitely want to allocate at least 10% of your income, every dollar you make, to giving back to someone else. That's 70, 10, 10, and the final 10, guys, you've got to invest 10% into some kind of long-term investment, something that's going to grow for you, something that you can set it and forget it. You've got to have some percent, and guys, I'm just telling you 10% into something for your future, because if you're not investing into your future, guess what? You really have none. That means if you're not investing something and you're spending every dollar you're making, that means that, think about it this way. If you go to work for 40 hours this week, you get paid, and you invest nothing, you spend it all. Guess what? You can never, ever, ever get anything back in the future for that 40-hour week because you invested nothing. You've got to invest at least 10% into something long-term for your future. 70 is your operating capital. That's for you to live your life. That's the money you spend. That's the money you pay bills with. Enjoy your life. 70% of your income. It's yours. You deserve to spend some of it. 10% allocate toward paying your taxes. 10% you want to allocate to helping someone else, to give to some kind of charity, help someone other than you. Anything that you're passionate about, give 10% to that cause. And that final 10%, you want to invest into something long-term, some kind of long-term investment. So that's 100% of your income. Like I said, I suggest you make this a habit to do this daily. Every dollar, I don't care if you make $10, you've got to apply this principle to every single dollar you make. Every dollar that comes in, you've got to do this. So if you made $100 this week, how does it split up? $70 is going to go towards enjoying your life, paying your bills. $10 is going to go towards your taxes. $10 is going to go towards helping someone else. And $10 is going to be invested. That's $100. See, what most of us do is we make $100 and we spend $100. It could be on bills, it could be on trash, it could be on, food. But we typically spend every dollar we get. But you've got to start allocating your funds that way so that you can put yourself in a place where, one, you're paying the government his dues, you're helping other people, and the third thing is you've got to put some kind of money in some type of investment because the goal is for your money to start working for you so eventually you can stop working for it. If you're not investing anything, if you're not planting any seeds in some type of investments, you can't expect a nest egg in 10 years. So I don't care how small it is, guys. If it's $1, if it's $10, if it's $100, if it's $10,000, you want to make sure you're using this law of 70, 10, 10, 10 for every single dollar you make. These are some of the laws that I'm applying to my life. Trust me, it works wonders. And this is something that's free. This is something you can start applying to your life today. So if you go out here today and make $10, $7 needs to go to your operating capital for your life. $1 needs to go to charity. $1 needs to go to Uncle Sam or your taxes, whatever country you're in, and $1 needs to be invested so that can grow for you in the future. So if you got any value from this video, please click share. Someone else you know needs to hear this because it can help. It's all about being a blessing to other people. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go and subscribe to my website, IamTheLioness.com, and my YouTube channel. I'm going to drop both sites below this video. But y'all have a good day, be blessed, and never forget 70, 10, 10, 10. Planets and stars.